This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Ethereum. Ethereum got my attention setting up on the daily chart. Here on the daily. This is Thursday's daily candle here. This is Friday's daily candle here. Ethereum got my attention when in the pre-market of the New York Open, Ethereum broke out here on the daily level to the short side. So based on my trading system, that triggered a potential trade, and we'll go up to the 15 minute, and we'll go into detail about what I was seeing up here on the 15 minute. So this Fibonacci retracement tool here is based off of the 60 minute, and this Fibonacci retracement tool here is based off of the 15 minute. So with this new system that I have, I'm just working on dialing in exactly what charts that I want to use, or basically just what I need in order for the system to fit the criteria that I would like, or at least to take best advantage of my trading window. So the 60 minute I won't be using for this, but the 15 minute I will be using, so we'll zoom in on this area for more detail on my entry. So with that, my system, when there is a breakout on the daily, typically what I will look for is pullback into my desired entry, but it also has to be during my trading window. So on the 60 minute, the price action, this orange line here is Thursday's close. And it's made in this candle here, and then following that, we can see in this candle here, price action goes below, or breaks out of Thursday's low and closes well below, and then we can see price action pull back. My desired entry would be here at this 79 level, which is reached, but it is not. This does not occur in my trading window. So I can't take this position, so I have to wait. So what happens later, price action wise, is we get this. We get another break below Thursday's close, and then we get this price action here, this price action below the close. We get this price action here, all of this here below Thursday's close. So opportunities for more entries based off of my system here. But in addition to that, my system trades can set up in an additional manner, which if there is a or this actual or at least this past Friday, which was when this trade was made, Ethereum actually set up for two different trading opportunities. One that was outside of my time frame, but this one actually in my time frame. What happens here is currently Ethereum is in a downtrend at the time of this price action. And then these yellow lines that you see here, this is the New York pre-market structural range. And we can see in this candle here, we get a break of structure, which would signal to me I would say a higher probability of continuation in the downtrend. So with that in mind, I set up the Fibonacci retracement tool here in order to take an entry on this position. In addition to that, I'm seeing this as an order block that gets validated here in this candle here. So I'm looking for this area to hold. So when we get here, once we get the break of structure, pullback comes in pretty much immediately, comes up to this 79% level, goes past it, I took my entry here at the 79% level, and then we can see after testing the order block, we get price action. We get this displacement here to the short side in the trade direction. And then price action pulls back from that area, consolidates and distributes and sells off another leg lower here, finds support down here. We can see the volume come in and slowly buyers come in, or the market maker is setting up a position for Monday. We can see just basically a large area of consolidation. And it seems that that's all that's been happening since Ethereum found support at this bottom here. And then we'll zoom in and I'll show you my exit here. So this being the, actually I think I wound up moving that line a little bit. It should be here. So here was the previous strong high. This here being the order block and being validated here. And then we can see here this being the previous week low, and there being a break of structure here in this candle, signaling the potential or higher probability of continuation there. And then it's in this candle here where price goes above this previous strong high here, which signals to me the potential for a market structure shift. And then here in this candle here, we get the market structure shift, which would signal to me a higher probability of a reversal taking place here. But yeah, this is and this is where I took my exit here. So this is what I'm seeing on Ethereum. This has been my trade from Friday that extended into Saturday. But this is on tilt trading. Actually, before I go, let's look at my tickets. So here with Ethereum, I tried to place this order here at 7:59. I exited at 8. This here was me trying to enter the order, but I entered it. It was set to market instead of limit. So I took a small loss, a little less than $1, about 80 cents or so with that. And then here, actually, no, my bad. And then here at 9:27, I get an entry. So I set the limit order back right after this, but it took almost an hour and a half for my entry price to be met. And then you can see here at 7:02, about $35 here, so only risk $5. So about a 7 to 1 reward to risk ratio on this trade. So pretty good reward to risk ratio on this, and pretty decent trade I think on Ethereum. But this is on tilt trading, and we'll see you next time.